The wig is 4x5. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nolo, and if you are here for the first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, it's all about how I wash my braided wig. Then this is one of my braided wig that I've made. So if you want to know how I made my wig, kindly comment below so that I could know, and I will make a tutorial on how I made the wig. The wig is 4x5. So the tutorial, I'll try by all means to make a tutorial on how I made my braided wigs. However, this is the one of the wig that I made a long time ago, before I even started a channel. This wig, I think it's about 2 years now. So yeah, so before we waste any time, let's get into the video. So yeah guys, here's our wig. Our wig is totally handmade. The closure is handmade. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take out all the products that are on the wig. We are going to take out the foundation as well as the glue that is on the wig. We've been using the foundation so that the wig could match the skin, right? So we're going to be using a rubbing alcohol as well as a toothbrush to be rubbing out the glue. Then we wash it with a shampoo, right? So the second thing that I normally do, I go ahead and detox my wig with bicarbonate of soda, because this wig is a braided wig, right? And I might not know what is living inside the wig, so the best thing is just to detox it with bicarbonate of soda as well as hot water, right? People that have dreadlocks, they normally detox their dread, right? So I apply the same techniques to the braided wigs. So I go ahead and detox it for about 30 minutes or so. Then I come back and do my final wash. Then I do the rinse. Going to make sure that you rinse until your water runs clear, right? So yeah guys, here's our lace. Our wig is quite clean. The lace is clean as well as the meshing cap, right? So I'm just gonna let it dry overnight or so, or even more days. Just let it dry on its own. It doesn't really need heat or anything. You can just put it outside and just let it dry. And if you guys like this video so far, kindly like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you want to tutorial on how I make my braided wigs. See you guys on my next video.